Hey guys, what's up? So I have a couple thoughts right now on measurement, and I wanted to record it before I forget. I was listening to some of the Flat Earth Asshole's latest video, doing his thing, trying to debunk globe people, and I was thinking about measurement. And something that I kind of realized was that we treat mentally our measurements the same. At least I do. I don't differentiate, say, a distance of 25 miles from a distance of 5 inches. Like, in my mind, there's not a drastic difference between those two measurements, right? 25 miles on one hand and 5 inches on the other. So I would like to ask you, do you differentiate 25 miles versus 5 inches? In your mind, are those classifications exactly the same thing? Now, what I realized is that they are not the same style of measurement. Okay, it's completely different mental capacity in order to understand what you're talking about when you say 25 miles than it is to understand what you're talking about when you say 5 inches. And the reason being is because 5 inches can fit within your immediate scene. Your 5 inches can fit on your hand, right? This, of course, is all due to perspective, and if we really just accepted that this world is made of perspective and nothing else, and it's subjective and nothing else, and it's not objective and it's not, and there aren't facts. If we just admitted that, then we would be having a lot more fun here really quickly, but we don't want to do that yet, so it's going to be boring for a little while longer. But anyway, what I'm saying is that there's a huge difference between 5 inches and 25 miles. Okay, there's a huge difference, and the huge difference is that 5 inches can exist, okay, in your physical present, sensually experienced, or via the 5 senses, your present space, like my present space here. I can fit 5 inches on my hand. I can fit it on the steering wheel. I can even fit it out there, but the 5 inches is now, depending on where I'm sticking it with my finger, it's this car, or it's that sign, or it's the moon. The 5 inches can be anything. So the difference between 25 miles and 5 inches is that 25 miles is 100% time-based or 100% abstract and theoretical. Okay, it has no relation to your ability to directly perceive what it means, other than your sense of time passing. Okay, that's how we measure long distances. We pretend that it means the same thing as measuring, say, how tall your house is or something like that, but it has nothing to do with that. It's a measurement of time. Once you get out into the theoretical land, you're not measuring the same thing anymore. Now, this does relate back to the whole flat Earth and globe Earth thing that's going on, in a sense, and that sense is that once these guys and these people once they get outside the realm that can be experienced in the present moment, which is all this right here. In other words, when they're debating each other via the internet or something, they're getting into theory land immediately. Now, I'm not even saying that your present experience, your wherever you physically are on the globe or the plane or wherever we are. I'm not saying that itself can be perceived objectively and measured, because it really can't either. But you can make more precise comments about it. Our language can't really say a lot about whatever it is that we are. But anyway. Anyway, that's my thought. A few thoughts on measurements. And let me know what you think in the comments. And yeah. That's the problem with, that's what I think the problem is with people debating things, debating flat Earth or globe Earth. Is the problem is you're playing with toys, and you're all making pictures, and maps are just as much pictures and abstractions and mental things made physical that have no relation to this. They're, whether it's your flat Earth map or your globe map, it's still a tremendous leap in mentalization. It just has no relation to this thing that we're like moving through. It has no relation whatsoever. So it's all mental. So anyway, that's that. And thanks for watching. Let me know what you think.